Okay, for question number 5, I'm going to do the example and the actual question because they are kind of short. So with the example, it says a triangle has 3 sides with the following lengths: 2x plus 1 units, 3x plus 5 units, and 4x minus 1 units. Then it says create an expression for the perimeter of the triangle. So we know that to find the perimeter of a triangle, we add each side. So we're going to add each of these binomials. When you're doing this, make sure that you combine like terms. Let's go ahead and do that in one step here. We know 2 plus 3 plus 4 gives us 9, so we've got 9x, and those guys are taken care of. I'm even going to cross those off to stay organized. Now we're going to add the whole numbers, the remaining like terms. We know 1 plus 5 gives us 6, 6 minus 1, or 6 plus negative 1 gives us 5. So the final expression in that situation would be 9x plus 5 to find the perimeter of that triangle. I'm going to pause for a moment and then we will look at the actual question for number 5. Okay, the actual question says, a rental company carries tables that seat 2, 4, or 8 people. For a wedding, a customer orders X tables that seat 2 people, so X amount of these guys, and Y tables that seat 4 people, and Z tables that seat 8 people. Which expression represents the number of people who could be seated at the tables that the customer orders? So, if he orders X of these tables, then however many tables he has times 2 will tell us the total number of people in that group. We're going to add the total number of people in the next group. So if he orders Y number of tables, say he ordered 6 of those tables, well, we know 6 times 4 would tell us how many people are sitting down in that group, in the medium table group, so to speak. So that's Y times 4, or 4Y, the whole number first. And then you can see the pattern here. We're going to add a Z. We don't have any like terms to combine, so this expression is done. It's completely simplified, and this matches up with choice B. So the correct answer to question number 5 is choice B. A lot of times in these situations, you want to look at the multiple choice answers that you have. Think about the situations. Think about what final number each expression would yield. Take a moment to see if that makes sense, and use your common sense and deduction when you're working along these types of problems. So question number 5, the correct answer is B.